You got it?
Uh-huh.
All right, so a 6-year-old's filming, so it might be a little crazy. Today, we're gonna build a greenhouse.
I'm not 6.
Close to 6. Today, we're gonna build a greenhouse with these windows. We got these bricks. These bricks are gonna be on the bottom.
The bottom.
With my little helper here, we're gonna take these windows out of this frame. We're gonna use these for the top of our greenhouse. We're gonna build our bases right here out of the 2x10s we bought. So, yeah, and I think we're gonna build it right here by our new chicken coop and run.
There's
Little chicks
flies
inside
in
of it.
there.
There's little flies in there, huh?
No.
All right, let's get started.
There's more.
Your base is going to be out of these little paver stones so that we can keep the wood good on the ground. All right, we're going to get started. So all we did was pop these windows out of the frames, and they're on these little brackets here that make the windows slide up and down. And we're just going to have to unscrew those right here.
Yeah.
And then there's our window panes. It's pretty easy.
Yeah, really easy.
Window frames or window panes out of the window frame. And we're going to utilize these as the top of our greenhouse. Let's get to work. They will fit, the window will fit on top of it and sit nice and flush. And now I'm going to piece these bad boys together.
Good deal.
All right, so we built both the planter boxes. We attached them together. And we also put reinforcements inside to make sure it's nice and sturdy structure. We figured we'd do double instead of 2 singles because we just want a little bit more area for our plants to grow. So we figured we'd do a little bit deeper dirt box than what we had with only just 2 single ones. So our plan is now we're going to attach a 2x4 here in the middle. So when our windows come down for our greenhouse, right, they come down to hit on for extra reinforcement as well. We bought some hinges for these windows, so we're going to go ahead and attach that 2x4 now here in the middle and see how it looks. All right, everything is built, everything is attached. We have it on paver blocks, hopefully to keep it out of the rain, just a little bit out of the wet grass. This part of the yard is actually pretty dry. That back half over there is like a freaking swamp. I'm sure there's alligators living back there. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and put the... Oh, you got a frog. Anyway, I'm gonna get this compost and load it up in here and we're gonna put some potting soil. Really? Really did? Yep. She actually loaded this entire thing. Absolutely. One shovel at a time. Don't you remember you doing this all by yourself?
Really?
Yeah, you don't remember?
Wait, I don't really did.
Yeah, you did.
But you helped.
Oh, yeah, I did. We got 2 more windows just so they match now.
You helped a little. You did the rest and then I helped you finish.
Right. So now we're gonna put some potting soil in there and
Oh my
plant
god.
where this horrible storm comes in.
And
Be careful.
oh, a little.
Well, we need to keep that so we know what it is, even though we probably will know what it is.
But like,
I'll put this right here.
if you don't know what it is, if you don't know what it is.
That's it. Here we go.
Mama, can I plant this one? Daddy, can you make a place for this one?
This one's tomatoes. We're probably gonna have to transplant this one after a little bit.
All right, it is finally done. Our little window greenhouse in the backyard. We had to take apart another window, which I unfortunately cracked one of the window panes. It fell. It's on me. But nonetheless, we have two good ones here. We put our handles here. It's a nice and easy lift up. We're gonna make some blocks of wood where I can lay them down in here, and we can prop these windows up when we want to, and make sure it's sturdy. Saw the hinges in the back. Looks pretty good. We got our plants ready to go, and that's it. You're doing good, dude. You know, we want straight lines now. Come on, we want straight lines.